Welcome back to another Up to Summit video. Today we're doing another cooking video and I'm with Lewis again.
What's up guys?
So we're going to be using the Pocket Rocket 2 again. We're going to be having some meatballs with this lovely Moroccan-style meatball sauce. I really recommend this. And then we've just got a little bit of couscous to go with it, nice and easy. So this is one of the easiest camping meals you can do, and all of it is less than £5. So we're just going to do the couscous first. So I've already got 125 millilitres of water measured out, because we've got 100 grams of couscous. So we're just going to pour this into the pan. So that's just about boiled. So we're going to put this to the side. And we just need to put our couscous into here. Hopefully we've got the measurements right for the amount of water to the amount of couscous. So you get some tin foil and you just wrap it over the top. And we set a timer for 4 minutes and then that couscous will be ready to go. Maybe put this done, we'll just chop one up to make sure. There we go, they're perfect. So our couscous should be ready if we've done it correctly. Alright, that looks not too bad. Give it a little stir around. And that's ready to go. So we're just going to get our couscous on the plate. Our couscous has been ready for quite a while. There we go, that's our sauce. We're just going to warm it through now. Ooh, that looks tasty. Just give it a mix round, make sure it's nice and warm. Close one. There we go. Dinner is served. Right, here we go. We're going to give this a taste test now. So
let's give this a taste.
Grab yourself a meatball.
Yeah, we got that.
That's what we're going to have. We're going to have a meatball.
Nice meatball with the sauce.
Here we go.
That's a right there, yeah. Beautiful. Got that meatball with the couscous on. Let's try this.
That is really nice, is that? If you're out camping, definitely need to give this a go. There we go, that's us done for the day. Honestly, if you're going camping and you want something nice and easy and also not too expensive, that is definitely what you want. If you did enjoy the video and you want more content like this in the future, make sure to leave a like and drop a sub and I'll catch you in the next one.